Namaste and good morning to all my dear children. This is your Brahman sir. In this video, I will explain you about human excretory system. This is a diagram of human excretory system. And before going to start, what is excretory system? Simple, see here. Excretory system, it contains many organs. It contains many organs that help us to excretion. That helps to excretion. Sir, artha don't worry. Sir, in the local language, in simple language, I will explain. That is, excretory system help us to eliminate waste particles present in our body. Are you getting my point? Excretory system will help us to eliminate, isn't it? Eliminate the waste particles present in our body or a blood. Okay? Yes. Our body contains many waste particles that may harmful for us. Okay? For that purpose, we have to remove those or we have to eliminate those waste particles. Otherwise, they will harm to us. For removing waste particles from our body, we need a system. That system is called as excretory system. Isn't it? Yeah, only 3 members are watching. Don't worry. Okay, to remove the waste particles from our body, we need a system called as excretory system. Sir, you told that our body contains many waste particles or a waste substance. From where does they enter into our body? Isn't it? Yes. Through food, they enter into our body. Through food, they will enter into our body. Sir, what type of substance or a waste substance we have to remove from our body? What type? Sir, you ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ waste particles ಇರ್ತಾವಂತ, isn't it? ಎಂತ particles waste ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ sir? What type of waste particles we have to remove out of the body? Yes, that is some salts. We can call it as some salts and or urea and uric acid, and these are the waste products or a waste substance or a waste particles which are present in our body and they are harmful to us and we have to remove from our body. Okay, then where it is present, where this excretory system is present? Yes, it is exactly present at abdomen. Okay, abdomen. Sir, ಇಲ್ಲಿ digestive system is very good. That is exactly abdomen. That is in the back side. That is in the back side. Are you getting my point? This excretory system is present in our abdomen part and it is present in our abdomen part exactly at the back side. Okay, exactly at the back side, and this is the excretory system. Before going to start, I will explain you some of them parts are here. That is, kidneys are there, ureter is there, and urinary bladder is there, and urethra is there. 4 parts are there. What are these parts or what are these organs and what are the functions of these organs? I will explain. First, that is kidney. First, that is we have kidney. In human being, there are 2 kidneys are present. One is right side, another one is left side, and exactly it is in the abdomen. Keep it in your mind. Okay. In human being, there are 2 kidneys. Okay. Or also we can call it as a one pair of kidneys. Okay. Or also we can call it as a one pair of one the jodi kidneys. Okay. And they contains blood capillaries. What these are? These are the blood capillaries. They are attached with. Are you getting my point? These are the kidneys. This is right side and this is left side. Okay, and these contains blood capillaries. These connected with blood capillaries. See, these both are the blood capillaries. Don't worry. Then if these both are connected to both the kidneys. See here, and this one is connected to this kidney. and as well as this capillary or blood capillary is connected to the this, and as usual here also ಇದು connect ಆಗಿದೆ ಇದು connect ಆಗಿದೆ. See, okay, the kidneys are actually in bean shape. Is it bean shape? Both the kidneys are in the bean shaped and they contains or are they connected with blood capillaries. Okay, what is the function of these kidneys? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ ಸರ್, ಏನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರಬಹುದು ಸರ್? Yes, that is the function of these kidneys is to filter the blood, and separate the unwanted material or waste particles from the blood. Okay, and that is called as urine. I will say here. That is, it filters unwanted substances. It filters unwanted substances from blood or a body, in the form of urine. Okay, what is the function? What are the functions, or what is the function of kidney? That is, it filters the unwanted substances from body in the form of urine. That is the main function of kidney. Okay, in human being there are two kidneys are present and they connected to the blood capillaries. And what is the function? That is, it filters the unwanted substances, or we can call it as that is, it filters the blood and separates the unwanted particles from it and in the form of urine. This is about kidney. Next part we have, that is ureter. What is that? Ureter. Second one we have, that is ureter. See here, this tube-like structures. See here, these both tube-like structures are called as ureters. Okay, see here, the ureters are two tube-like structures. Here one is there and here one is there. Okay, this is called as ureter, and it is connected to the it connects the kidney as well as urinary bladder. See this area here. See, this is urinary bladder. Okay, ureter connects the kidney as well as urinary bladder. Are you getting my point? Yes, it's very easy. Then this is the function. What is the function of ureter? That easily passes urine and agirtadalri, that waste particles are separated. That urine is passed to the urinary bladder. That is the main function. Pipe in kelsa martadri, to passage of urine, like that. Okay, water adena pipe we will use now. For that purpose, these ureters are the pipe-like structures. These are used to passage of urine from kidney to urinary bladder. Okay, then third part we have, our third organ we have, that is urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. Okay, nothing. See here, this area what you are seeing, this is called as urinary bladder. Here, this is the storage of urine. This is the storage of urine which passes from kidney. Okay, which connected to the kidney. Okay, this is simply, we can call it as that is, it is the storage of urine. Urinary bladder is nothing but it's a muscular organ. That is, it is storage of urine. It is the storage of urine. That is the function, main function of what is the urinary bladder, that is storage of urine. Okay, next part we have, that is urethra. What is that? Urethra. What is urethra? Yes, it is the muscular opening. See here, what you are seeing, this is the muscular opening, or it is called as urethra. This will help to pass through, okay, move away from the that is urethra will help us to pass the urine from our body. Okay, it will help us to pass the urine from our body. Waste particles is called as urine, isn't it? That is called as urethra. Okay, four parts we have, four organs we have studied. That is kidney. Kidneys are two in number. Then ureter is the tube-like structures. Almost all these ureters are 25 to 30 centimeter long. Okay, these ureters are actually 25 to 30 centimeter in length, and this is the passage of urine from the kidney, and urinary bladder is the storage of urine, and this is the passing the urine from our body. That is called as urethra. Then now we have to see how these parts will work, or a working system of excretory system. Let's see. In 5 minutes I will complete you. Don't worry, easy is there. Okay, see here. These are the blood capillaries. Okay, these are the blood capillaries. Through this, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಲರಿ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಲರಿ ಒಳಗಿಂದ ಸರ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ದಿ ಬಾಡಿ, or blood will enters into this excretory system. Sir, blood ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸರ್? Sir, from heart. It is pumped by heart and it enters into the excretory system. Okay, this enters into the blood. Okay, blood enters into the excretory system. Okay, this blood contains useful substances as well as useless substances. Okay, this blood is also called as, we can call it as a oxygenated blood. Okay, yeah, sir, from the heart we will get oxygenated blood. That's why this oxygenated blood contains useful substances as well as harmful substances. Useful substances as well as harmful substances. Okay, as it enters into both the kidneys. See here, it enters into both the kidneys. Illinda ee kade kidney bandri, and through this it is entered into another kidney. This oxygenated blood enters into both the kidneys. Okay, it enters into both the kidneys. What will happen there? Yes, with the help of nephron. Okay, each kidney contains millions of nephron. Each kidneys contain millions of nephron. With the help of nephron, that blood is filtered. What is meant by filtered? That means harmful substances are separated and useful substances are separated. Okay, that is useful substances are separated and harmful substances are separated with the help of nephron. Yes, then these harmful substances are, okay, these harmful substances are dissolved in the water. In the kidney only, this process kidney olage. Okay, with the help of nephron only. Okay, yeah, dissolved in water. These harmful substances are dissolved in water. Then what about the useful substances? Yes, they bring back to the blood or a body. Blood or a body, we can easily tell it. Okay, sir, that is oxygenated blood contains useful substances, harmful substances. Okay, with the help of nephron, where they are present in each kidney, millions of nephrons are present. Here with the help of nephron, useful substances are separated as well as harmful substances are separated. Here, that useful substances are bring back to the blood or a body. See here, with the help of useful substances, they bring back to the blood. Okay, blood. Mata, ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅದು ವಾಪಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂತ್ರಿ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂತ್ರಿ what they are, that is useful substances. Then what about the harmful substances? They dissolved in the water. They dissolved in the water, and this dissolved in the water is called as urine. Are you getting my point? It is simple and easy. That is, these harmful substances will dissolve in the water, and that is called as urine. Okay, useful in the research as well as it enters into the body, and again it is pumped by the heart. Okay, again it will enter into the this capillaries, blood capillaries. Okay, then this urine again enters into where, that is ureters, from each kidney, tube-like structures, isn't it? That urine enters into the ureters. Okay, again it enters into the ureter, and after that, that urine is stored. Where it is stored? In the urinary bladder. It is urine are stored under the urinary bladder. Okay, after some time we will get the sensation about urine, and that is thrown out of our body with the help of urethra. Okay, namak sense bartade, oh nanaga urine bandava. That time we will throw out of our body with the help of urethra. This is a function of excretory system. One more time I will explain you simply. That is, see here, that oxygenated blood, fresh blood from heart, that is entering into the excretory system. Okay, then that blood will enters into both the kidneys. That blood is enters into both the kidneys with the help of nephron. Okay, you will learn about nephron in the next classes, don't worry. With the help of nephron, the blood is filtered. I mean, filtered means the useful substances are separated as well as useless or harmful substances are separated. See here, then useful substances are bring back to the blood. Sir, this blood donor ತಗೊಂಡು ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ sir? Again it traveled to the heart ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಕತ್ತಿತ್ರಿ. Okay, yeah, then it is also called as deoxygenated blood ಅಂತಲೂ ಕರೀಬಹುದು. Okay, oxygenated blood ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬರ್ತದ, deoxygenated blood ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, then useful substances are bring back to the blood. Then what about the useless or harmful substances? They dissolved in the water. Water, sir, we will drink, no? With the help of that water, the harmful substances are dissolved. Okay, and that waste particles dissolved in the water is called as urine. Okay, that is called as urine. And that urine again enters into the ureter. Ureter are nothing but tube-like structures, pipe-like structures. Through that, the urine is passed through these ureters, and it is stored in the urinary bladder. Store after some time we will get sensation of urine. Through urethra we will pass the waste particles from our body or blood. This is about the excretory system. And some more important points I have to write here. An adult human being can pass 1 to 1.8 liters of 1 to 1.8 liters of urine per day. Okay, an adult man. Okay, an adult human being. adult human being. An adult human being passes 1 to 1.8 liters of urine per day. ಒಂದು ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ್ರಿ 1 ಲೀಟರ್ ನಿಂದ 1.8 ಲೀಟರ್ ತನ ಯೂರಿನ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ per day. Then our urine contains what it contains exactly? It contains 95% of water, then 2.5% of urea and 2.5% of waste substance. Okay, our human being or whatever it may be, urine contains that is 95% in a total 100% ಒಳಗ suppose 1.8 liters ನಮ್ಮ urine pass ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that contains 95% of water only. In that only 2.5% of urea and 2.5% of waste particles or waste substances present in our body is thrown out of the body. Okay, what happens if sometimes the kidney may stop working? Suppose if kidney ಗಳು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿಂದ್ರಿಸಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ what will happen? Can you guess what will happen? If both the kidneys will stop working, I mean that is a kidney fail ಆಗ್ಯಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, at that time the human being can be chances of dying. Okay, ಸಾಯೋ chances ಇರ್ತದೆ. But at that time when both the kidneys will stop working, the waste particles will start accumulating in the blood. Okay, the waste particles present in the blood, they start to accumulate in the blood. Okay, accumulate ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ blood ಒಳಗೆ, because blood contains the waste particles. Okay, if both the kidneys are stop working, at that time the waste particles will start to accumulate in the blood, and at that time the person may be dead. Because of that, the doctors will use artificial kidneys. Doctors will use artificial kidneys, and that process is called as dialysis. Okay, that process is called as dialysis. Okay, what is dialysis? Dialysis is nothing but filtering the blood or filtering the waste particles or waste substances from artificial kidney. That is called as dialysis. This is the process, that is it filters the blood by artificial kidneys. Okay, artificial kidney. That process is called as dialysis. Okay, sometimes ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ injury ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾದರೂ sometimes both the kidneys will stop working. At that time the doctors will use a dialysis. Okay, ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಸಾಯ್ಬಾರ್ದಲ್ರಿ, for that's why. And this is about the human being. This is about the excretory system of human being. Then what about the aquatic animals? How they will excrete? How they will excrete? Suppose fish ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ್ excrete ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ರಿ? Yes, that is they excrete ammonia. What is that? Aquatic animal will excrete ammonia. This ammonia is as usual dissolved in the water. Simple about aquatic animals. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ, just introduction ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. That is aquatic animals will excrete, that is ammonia, and that is easily dissolved in the water. Then what about birds, lizards, isn't it? What about birds? Can you guess, sir, how they will excrete? Yes, they excrete semi-solid. Andre adda solid irtadri, adda liquid irtadri. White substances, that contains white substances. That contain white substance, and that contains actually uric acid, and that contains uric acid. This is about lizards, birds, isn't it? How they excrete the semi-solid. They excrete semi-solid. That is in actually white substance, isn't it? No real, and that contains the uric acid. That contains uric acid. And this is about human excretory system. And if you are having any doubt, ask me in the WhatsApp group or comment me in the comment box. And by this, I will conclude my today's session. And today's homework for you, that is, draw and label the neat diagram of excretory system. Okay, these are some important topics you have to remember for many years. That's why I am explaining this. Okay, today's homework is, that is, draw and label the neat diagram of human excretory system. By this, I will conclude my today's session. Thanks for watching my video. Namaste.